Dosti Welfare Organization works in Pakistan to improve life for women and children by providing them quality education and healthcare. In collaboration with the Global Education Campaign in the United States, the Dosti Welfare Organization to date has successfully established 14 schools in all in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. An impressive accomplishment. But for Dosti, it's just the beginning.
Dosti Welfare Organization started about 16 years ago with one school, and we have really progressed so long. We have about nearly 3,000 kids in our schools, and they're all, most of them are free, no tuition fee, and for that we are struggling hard.
In 1996, founder and president of both these organizations, Dr. Munir Ahmed, established a school in village Sufed Dairy near Peshawar. It began as a single-room school and expanded at a steady pace with the inclusion of new classes and grades every year. It is because of this steady growth that today the school runs classes up to 10th grade, educating poor children who otherwise had to beg or were forced into child labor.
This school has about 400 students, including 60% girls and minority students. We have qualified staff providing quality education, which is second to none.
Diversity and equal opportunities for all is now at the core of these principles. Without any discrimination based on social, religious or racial background, every student is given equal importance and care.
My name is Malaika Baba Khail. I am proud to be Dosti High School. Here we study hard and also have fun with other students.
Not only are the children getting benefits from this system, but also numerous female teachers are putting their skills to productive use.
Dosti has provided us an opportunity to contribute in educating kids of our society. We were staying at home and feeling depressed, but now we are teaching here and feeling happy and proud.
The Abdara school in the village of Abdara, situated in the outskirts of Peshawar, is proving to be most beneficial for the children of that area. Surrounded by colorful walls, charts and furniture, the young mind's imagination is meant to be fueled. Sixth grader Rabia Ashraf is one of the brightest minds of this school. Though being physically challenged, most of her life she could not even leave home. But that changed when Farzana, a Dosti teacher, came to know about her situation and introduced her to Dosti.
Dosti is providing education to those who otherwise will not be educated.
Rabia now is not only studying in this school but excelling in every subject.
Even with my disability, I feel that I can do anything in this world because Dosti is giving me quality education.
Dosti runs 4 schools in Badezai village, a rural population in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. First established in 2001, Dosti School Badezai No. 1 was also started off with 1 room. But now it is one of the most successful branches of Dosti schools with a proper campus nurturing more than 300 minds.
मैं यह दोस्ती स्कूल में साइंस का टीचर हूँ और साइंस के स्टूडेंट को पढ़ा रहा हूँ। मैंने खुद भी यहाँ पर तालीम फ्री हासिल की थी और आजकल इन बच्चों को भी मैं फ्री तालीम दे रहा हूँ ताकि मेरी वजह से इन बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल बन जाए।
One of the key features of this school is the construction of a science laboratory. Equipped with all the necessary apparatus, it is helping students to put the theories into practice.
I entered the gates of this school in 2001 in order to get quality education. And I have not been charged yet even a single penny on account of education's fee.
From the colorful environment to the illustrative books for the young children to advanced science laboratories to latest teaching methods, these schools all around Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have set a benchmark in the field of education for the poor.
I am very grateful to my teachers And wholehearted thanks to Dosti Welfare Organization for opening schools not only in Badizai but in all those areas where the residents are in dire need of education.
Committed to expand further, one thing that Dosti falls short of every now and then is a steady flow of funds. Though Dosti is grateful to every donor and individual contributing in this noble cause, Dosti needs more and more donors like Mr. Zahir Hassan from New Jersey, who on behalf of his family and in memory of their mother sponsored the Abdara school. For Dr. Munir and his dedicated team, it is now a mission for life. For you, it is an opportunity to be part of this mission. Come, join hands with Dosti and let's educate the future of Pakistan.